Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I have got some exciting news for all students from Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, northeastern states and the Andaman and Nicobar. AICTE has launched an amazing opportunity just for you. The AICTE Samarthan Internship Connect 20252 to 2026. Want to experience life at IITs, IIMs, triple IITs, NITs and more? So stay tuned. So this is a 15-day on-campus internship program at premier institute across India. You will get exposure to lectures, training, innovation centers, alumni interaction and so much more. If you are a UG or PG student from the eligible region and studying under AICT approved program, yes, this is for you. So the important dates are 22nd April, portals open for the registration. Last date of registration and verification is 10th of May. So last date of choosing your institute is 15th of May. And seat allotment date is 19 and 21st May. And internship is going to begin on 15th of June. So to register, visit the link in the description or scan the QR code from the official poster shown here. If you found this useful, give it a like, share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe for more such updates. Good luck and go grab that internship. Thank you.